Hi, Ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ma'am. Ang amo place is Peninsula Beach Resort. Ang room rate na, Ma'am, is pagkabana ka, watong dito tong tulo ka rooms is 3,500, good for 4 persons. Then pag mag-additional ka ng person, Ma'am, is 780 each.
Oh, ang diri sa
Then
isa.
ang diri sa hotel na kuan is 2,500, good for 2 persons, sir, Ma'am. Then pag mag-add ka, Ma'am, is negotiable pa siya, Ma'am, kaya wala pa man si sir maka plus
bago pa.
Yes, Ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Ako si Royo, no?
Yes, Ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello, hello! It's not Sunday nor Saturday, it's Tuesday and it's a vlog day. Today is December 24, 2024, a day before Christmas Day. So we're here in Peninsula Beach Resort in San Francisco or Anauawon, Surigao del Norte. So let's go! Masuodra ini diri sa Surigao City. Tara na!
Fishing! We go fishing, guys!
Hi! Pasko na! Pero dyan kami diri mag-ujig-ujig. With Bats Julius. Oh, say hi, Bats!
Go!
Poster. Say hi, Bats!
Hello, hi! What?
Spending quality time here in Peninsula. Basta kay mauto.
Murat to. Na, Mangkaw!
Shout out to Edna. I know you're busy. Sa imo handaan sa Pasko. Si Jessa suba gikan sa Danau sanang sa Magtangali.
Ko na lawas ang baga mga kuwan sa baka mga bag
Na may labot.
We're all just merely passing through, doing what we can do in our lifetime. We have more than one adventure to take, more than one dream to make in our lifetime. As for me, there's always